Here's a pair of the JBL Vibe Beam 2 earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Sony Bravia smart TV via Bluetooth. So the first thing we should do is put these in the pairing mode. So let's take out the earbuds out of the case and then just hold it up, and then after a few seconds, if it's blinking blue on both of them, then you know it's in pairing mode, and that's what we want. Okay, but I get a solid blue light here. It's not blinking blue, and then it turns off. The reason is for me is because I'm connected to one of my phones near me. So let me manually put this in a pairing mode. I can use the left or right earbud, it doesn't matter. I'll just use this right one here. What I'm simply going to do is the touch sensor up here, I'm going to tap and then tap and hold it for 6 or 7 seconds till it starts blinking blue. Or if I put it in my ear and I tap and hold, just hold it until it says pairing. Okay, but we'll do it this way on this one here. I'm going to tap and then tap and hold, and just keep holding until it starts blinking blue here. Gotta wait like 6 or 7 seconds. Sometimes I gotta do it twice. It's not blinking blue. Let me do it again. Ready? Tap, tap and hold. Still holding. Come on. There we go. It's blinking blue. Now the other one should be blinking blue as well. Yep. So now it's in pairing mode. Now we're going to shoot over to the TV here and just go directly to your settings. If you have a settings button, the gear icon on your remote, you can go that way. If not, go to the home page on your TV, click on the home button, and then just navigate to that gear icon right there in the middle. Let me move over. Right there, quick settings. Let's select that. And now all settings is already highlighted, so we're going to select that now. The left pane here, we're going to go down to remotes and accessories. Right there, select that. We're going to select on Bluetooth, make sure Bluetooth is turned on, okay? Just go down to pair accessory, select that. Now it's searching for devices that's in pairing mode that is near me, which is like 30 feet Bluetooth range or so. And these are still in the pairing mode, it's blinking blue. And voila, I did find the JBL Vibe Beam 2. So just make sure it's highlighted. It says pairing. We should get a pairing request here. Pairing request, it's already highlighted on pair. Okay that on the remote. And it says that it has been connected. And voila, if I go down, you can see the JBL Vibe Beam 2, it is currently connected, and there you go. Now, if you had any kind of issues pairing or connecting these earbuds, you can always factory reset these earbuds. If you need to do that, look for that link below in the description area.